Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about looking at the dependencies using the JQL. Say suppose you actually want to find all of the work items that actually can have some kind of a dependency. Either it's like relates to, is being blocked or something like that. You're just really interested in those work items that have these special dependencies. So we are actually within our JQL, and what we're going to type is issue link type. And now we have options to actually go with equals, not equals, and everything else. So what I can do is I can use not equals, and I can say empty, and I can hit enter. And I'm going to get all of these issues. As you can see, I have 867 of them that have some kind of related type of dependencies themselves. Now, it would be actually great if we would include a column in here. So let's see, linked items. Okay. All right, so we don't have those that are linked because it's not the same thing, but when I actually take a look at this one, I have within the linked work items relates to, and I also have the issue itself in there. So let's take a look at the different project, and then there we go, relates to also in here. This is something that is pretty great to have. So from here we can actually pivot and we can do more. For example, if we are looking for the dependencies basically that are all about the one that are blocking the others, and we can actually see these in here. This is pretty good to have when you are actually within your project and you need to see all of those issues that are basically there before one issue gets completed. The other issue cannot actually start, so you cannot start working on it. So this is how you're actually using the issue link type, for example, for this one. Now, you actually can include multiple of them. So for example, if you're saying like this is in, and then you need to have the brackets, and you can say is blocked by, then I can go with and say is escalated to, close the brackets, there we go. So we get more data when we go within, so we can define some specific dependencies in here, right? So these are is blocked by and something that is being escalated to. So that is something really that is useful to have. And of course, if we actually go with here, we have a link to work items, for example, and we can actually see that in here. And we can definitely see what are the linked work items in here. So if I go for more, I can even see more, the bigger hierarchy in here. And then I have for this one, what I have is deployed by 8, and also I'm having is blocked by these two in here. So this is really useful to have. So you add linked work items column, you add it to this filter right here. You can save the filter, and from there, of course, you can go to your dashboards and you can create some unique dashboards in terms of the reporting for the management meetings. So this is something that is really useful, and this is something that you can really leverage to understand the dependencies in general. Well, that's about it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.